Consciousness is the state of being aware of one's surroundings. Chapter 3 is called Consciousness and the Two-Track Mind. In this chapter, it discusses sleep and dreams, consciousness, and drugs and consciousness. With drugs and consciousness, I learned about tolerance, which a lot of the section was about tolerance and drug abuse. Tolerance is when you have to up the dosage of something to get the same effect that you did before. I also learned that beer, marijuana cigarettes, and cigarettes are all psychoactive drugs, which I did not know. And I especially did not know that beer could be considered a drug, which that really caught my attention. And that is something that I enjoyed reading in this section. We learned about consciousness, which there are different states such as awareness, meditation, and dreaming. There are different states of consciousness, and there are things such as inattentional blindness and change blindness, which are just like when your mind is focused on one thing and you don't realize another because of it. My favorite thing to learn about in this chapter was sleep and dreams. I really like this because I didn't realize that there were so many states of sleep. There are things like light sleeps, deep sleeps, and in between. And I think the thing that I really liked about this was how much I could personally relate to it, just because there are things such as rapid eye movement and jumping while you're slowly falling asleep that I know that I've done, and it's just really cool to learn about that. In the ammo bar, I included statistics from sleep, cases, studies, and on the top you can see child sleep behaviors versus an adult's over 8 hours, and it shows being awake and being in a deep sleep. And as a child, it shows that they only woke up twice within that 8 hours, and as an adult, they woke up a lot more times. I probably can't even count that. It's more than double, for sure. And on the bottom, I included a chart that shows the difference of accidents with the time changes in spring and fall. In spring, we lose an hour, which shows there's an increased amount of accidents, and in the fall, there's a decreased amount because we gain an hour, and that means we get an extra hour of sleep. I really enjoyed this chapter, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.